Go digital, use all online services, do it from comfort of your home. Tips while doing payment and online services. Do not share three-digit CVV number seen on back of ATM cum debit card, credit card. In international payment, OTP does not come on mobile. So remove CVV number. I have removed it since years. Note down CVV number. Without knowing CVV number, payment is impossible. Do not click any link for payments. You can set maximum limit for payments in all cards and wallets. Keep reasonable limit. You can change anytime easily. Now you can opt for international payment for all cards from 30th September 20. During payment, double check account number or mobile number to whom you are paying. Wallet shows name of payment receiver also. If everything of receiver is correct, even if payment fails, no worry. It will be credited back in your card or wallet or account. Now do not go to agent for any services. First check online services available for that service or not. Try any online services. If I can do, you can also. Use net banking and transfer any amount to anybody. Keep FD from comfort of your home. Renew FD and redeem it from home. Schedule any payment on your date. Example credit card bill or pay to someone. Request checkbook online. In fact, you will not require any check when you start using net banking. Pay your bill, mobile, insurance premium, DTH bill, gas bill, property tax, all government taxes, etc. using net banking or pay by ATM cum debit card, credit card or wallets like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, etc. For shopping or online shopping, use cards or wallets, but no cash. Only 6 crore people pay income tax in India. That means only 6 crore out of 130 crores population have income more than 5 lakhs. Is it not surprising? So go digital, no cash. Cash payment will generate black money. Receiver may not show as his income to income tax department. Receiver may not pay some other tax also to government. Ultimately loss to government will stop the growth of nation also. Whatever digital payment he receive, one has to show it as his income. So every educated person should pay digitally only. Use net banking, credit card, ATM, come debit card, wallet like Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, etc. But no cash. Use online services for taking GST number for MSME Udyog other registration for income tax return filing. You can do online. For your investments need, go online. Purchase or sell shares from home. Purchase or sell mutual fund online. Invest money in shares and mutual fund online. Sell shares and mutual fund and receive money in your account. Invest in company FD also online. No need to go to broker's office or to invite him at your house. You can do everything online. Use online services like passport renewal, RTO related, visa related, election card related, Aadhaar card related, PAN card related. No agent required anywhere, and even in RTO related services also you can go online. Pay fees, appointment for driving test, duplicate license, etc. Now for renewal of driving license, no need to go to RTO office. Use services like flight booking, international, domestic, train booking online, bus booking online, hotel booking online. Bindas. Ask wherever you go for card or wallet payment. Everywhere in any shop, hotels, restaurants, hospitals, or private doctors also. Do not hesitate. If they are using services elsewhere, why not giving that service to others? Insist everybody. Tips for senior citizens. Why we should learn online activities? Because most of us are staying alone. Son and daughter are in other cities or abroad or leave you anytime. Do not rely on children or friends. Today they are with you, tomorrow may not be. That time, what will you do? Children who are living with us do not want to teach us. They think it is not possible to learn at this age. Their thinking is wrong. You can learn at any age. Remove fear from your mind. Do not afraid of losing money. Start with small payment and you will get confidence slowly. If you fail on first attempt, do not disappoint. Your money will be refunded. So try it. In future, purchasing of vegetables and fruits will also be done online. In future, purchasing from shop will be done by only those who do not know computer. If you still not awake, then after few years you will attempt to tell someone I do not know online activities. Anything you can learn from YouTube. Use all electronic gadgets like Kindle, TV transmitter, and receiver, Bluetooth, iPad, laptop, computer, desktop, car, Bluetooth. Thanks to Digital India initiative by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Thanks for watching Kulin Desai.